It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you my iPhone 13 Pro Max case by Elago that I love. A cool feature about this case is going to be the fact that it was designed in California, and they make that very clear by providing you a little gift set stickers that you can design or customize rather your iPhone case or put them anywhere. This comes with each case that they make. That's a super cool feature. I want to show you the case up front because it's got like this pebble stone finish, and that's exactly what it looks like to me. It looks like it's almost like a natural river rock, and it's got these really nice curved sides providing you that protection and also grip. And then inside, this is what your phone's gonna be sitting in. It's almost like a felt ribbed area that's going to help you protect your finish on your phone. That glass back is going to be sitting in this, which gives you that added comfort. Now, going to the buttons, you do have the mute open. The volume is covered and protected. And then you see that protrusion here on the camera. So that's going to help you if there were to be a fall. So it's very easy to install because the case does have some give to it. You just snap it on just like that. It goes on like a dream. So now you can see it on my white and silver phone. It just looks super low profile. I love that. There's that camera protection up close and personal. And then you can see the buttons, covered and exposed mute and power. But then of course, access to the important charging and speaker. You guys, I really like this case. I think it adds that really nice natural look, but also very practical, providing the protection you need. I think you'll love it too. That's my point of view.